Hello all. Welcome to the next tutorial in SAP Materials Management series. Here we discuss on topic of material type for material master data in SAP Materials Management module. Material type is a group of material with similar attributes. Grouping of materials in a uniform manner can be for materials purchased internally or are non-valuated. SAP comes with a set of predefined material types, but also provides the option for the client to create customized material type. Additional material type configuration will require added complication configuration steps and testing. Subsequent slides will have description of various standard material types. A list of 26 material types comprises of material ranging from raw material, semi-finished product and finished product. While we discuss exhaustively on commonly used material types, the colored material types at the bottom of table are for perishables, food items, apparels, advertising and others which are not covered in discussion. Kanban container is used in SAP for creating Kanban containers. It is used for just-in-time or JIT replenishment of parts on production line. Used for transporting material from supply area to the manufacturing location. Materials used as Kanban containers only have basic data view. Die-end services is used for services that are supplied either internally or externally by a vendor. Service material master records does not have storage information. Example of services include activities such as consulting, garbage collection or legal services. ERSA spare parts is used for equipment maintenance of spare parts in plant. Spare part is purchased but does not have sales information. If sold, it should be sold as a different material type such as trading good. Finished good is used for manufactured from production of items such as raw materials. Finished goods does not contain purchasing information, since it does not contain any purchasing information. FME production resources or tools are used by plant maintenance department. It is used in maintenance of plant equipment such as test machines, drill bits or calibrating tools. PRTs are not purchased to sell, but does not contain sales information. PRTs are managed on a quantity basis. HALB, semi-finished products are purchased and further completed and sold as finished goods. Semi-finished material type is used for purchasing and work scheduling, but not for sales. However, trading goods that are purchased from vendors and sold. This type of material only allows purchasing and sales information, since no internal operation is carried out on these materials. Trading goods are bought from the manufacturer and is sold alongside their own manufactured products. Example of trading goods is found for computer manufacturers, who sells computers along with printers and routers. HERS manufacturer parts or materials are supplied by different vendors having different part numbers. This type of material can be found in many retail stores. Hive operating supplies are purchased by vendor and are used in the production process. Hive material type contains purchasing data but no sales information. Example of operating supplies includes lubricants, compressed air or solder. IBAU maintenance assembly is not an individual object but a set of logical elements. It aids in separation of technical objects into clearly defined units for plant maintenance. Material type contains basic and classification data. For example, in car assembly, car is a technical object while engine, transmission, axles and others are maintenance assemblies. Configurable material type is used for all materials having variant configuration materials. Configurable material type have variables determined by user during sales process. For example, automotive equipment produced by manufacturer have variable attributes such as length of chain or height of belt. MTs are materials consisting of returnable transport packaging and is subjected to nominal deposit. This is made by grouping of several materials in a bill of material assigned to a finished material. Example of an empty are crate, drum, bottle or pallet. In ECC 6, a new extension called EACP is available in Materials Management module. This functionality allows the use of sales bills of material in purchasing and sales and adds empties items to full product items in purchase orders. It also processes these empties items in invoice verification. The functionality allows separate valuations for accounting purposes of full products and ties empties and compatibility with solutions which uses bills of material. Example of such material is a free goods discount. Leaked returnable packaging is used for packing finished goods and sending it to the customer. After unpacking, customer is obliged for the return of returnable packaging material to the vendor. NLAG non-stock material are not stocked in the inventory and are purchased on need basis. Example of non-stock material are maintenance gloves, safety glasses or grease. Pipeline material type are brought in the production facility by pipelines. This type of material does not require planning since they are always at hand. Example of such material include oil, electricity, water or natural gas. ROH raw material is purchased material which are fed into the production process and may result in finished good. It does not have sales data since it is not sold. Normally a raw material for classified should be considered as a trading good. UNBW non-valuated material is similar to NLAG non-stock material except the fact that it is held by quantity and not by value. Plant Maintenance Department will monitor inventory of plant equipment to allow for planned purchase. These items are important for plant equipment, but holds no or little value for others. VERP packaging material are packaged but are offered free of charge to customer. Packaging material are stored in inventory and are associated with a value. WETT competitive product is used by sales department for monitoring of competitors' goods. These type of materials only have basic data.